today we're going to be learning how to make a RuneScape private server. So what you're going to need first is of course JDK and of course InsidiaX, which is the client or in the source we're going to be using today. All links will be downloaded in the description, and you're all going to be found in the description and then downloaded. And the next third thing, which will also be in the description, is Notepad++ because it makes it a lot easier to edit TXT files and a lot of other things. So I definitely recommend, strongly recommend getting it Notepad++. But if you're fine with Microsoft's stupid stuff, then go ahead. You're fine. So after you've downloaded that, saved it to your desktop, or after you've downloaded all of that, installed it, and then saved the InsidiaX package to your desktop, you're going to have to right-click it and extract here. Yeah, and another thing I forgot is you're going to need 7-zip or WinRAR, which I love WinRAR, so get that. And you're going to have to extract here, of course, extract to desktop. It'll come up with this little folder. You have to set that aside, I guess. Go into it. You have to go into either client or source first, doesn't matter, you'll see in a second. Start, run, CMD, and then you have to type in Java, Java, space, dash, version. It will come up with 3 lines saying first line with your Java version, of course, Java SE runtime environment, and the Java hotspot. The last 2 lines you really don't have to worry about. You're just going to have to focus on the first line. 1.7.0_07. Focus on that. Remember that number, or you can just keep the CMD up. Minimize that. Go into your client.bat. You're going to see, after the line Java, you're going to see JDK 1.7.0_07. This little line right here. And yes, we just saw that right there. So what you're going to do is plug in the numbers that you saw right there in here. Do not delete the dot or the JDK text right here. And do not put a space between JDK and the very first number. Leave it just like it is, but keep or just exchange the numbers. So once you've done that, you're going to exit out. Do this for all .bats in the client and the source. So you're going to see 2 in here, the one that I just showed you, run client, compile, of course, edit. It will be right there, almost in the exact same spot. And then, exit out of that. And your source, compiler, of course, is going to be in there because it's a .bat. And then in your run, also, you're going to see it right there. So, pause this video until you see, or until you've done all of that. So, once you have, you can just exit out of your CMD, press run in your source, because the source is what runs it. It will pop up with this little window, and it will say all of this jazz. So, you're going to go now into your client and run client. Client's the thing that actually pops up, this thing right here that I'm dragging around. It should be starting up, unpacking media, everything. It will start up and you can actually play on it. So that's how to actually make it run. And I'll just prove it to you. Proof. 1, 2, 3, whatever. And voila, you can actually play on it. So, yeah, it's pretty cool, I'd say myself. So, that is how you get that to work. The next tutorial is going to be on how to actually publish it to a website, aka get a web client. So, yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye-bye.